Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And here we have the Moto X50Ultra Cedrium special color. At this time, they also provide another soft pink special edition. And today we get a 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. This is also the first AI device for Lenovo. So next, let's unbox it and check these phones. So here is a Environment Protect logo, and after we open the box, and here is the device. We'll check it later. First, we put it aside, and then yes, so this all the stuff. Here is the charging cable. This time to provide for 4500 mAh battery, and it support 125 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless fast charging. And this one support IP68 rated waterproof and dustproof. And according to the official release conference, 6 minutes you can get 50% battery. So just normally a stone. When you listen to stone, and you get 50% battery. So this is the charger. Yes, black cable, black charger, and here's the label for this. And we get it from the other 125 watt fast charger and the Motorola logo. And yes, so this is the accessories inside. And before we check the smartphone, we go to another box. It was hidden in the box cover, and this paper, yes, it's the information tell us to protect the back panel, because this time they used a special material, Lignum, Cedrium, wooden textured back panel. And inside the box, we find the warranty card, SIM card ejector, and so this is warranty information as well, for safety information. Yes, and also the quick start. The basic introduction about how to use the smartphone and plug insert the SIM card. So okay, nothing special. And here they also provide a case. Yes, okay, it's just a normal case, transparent one, and hard plastic, not soft. And okay, so I think I don't want to get it out. Soft, not soft, just hard plastic. It's also not so high end. Yeah, it's not totally transparent, just a matted kind of sand polish material plastic case. And okay, next, go to today's highlight, the Moto X50Ultra. So first, let's get it out from the protector. Whoa, the case is so special, and it's remind me of the nature. Yes, I can feel the nature. And also the back case, we can find it's not separate, even extended to the camera zone. It's integrated. And also the wooden texture, I really like it. Whoa, triple camera system, and also the Moto logo, and also the frame is metal, but also the color is very similar to the back panel. Not black, not shining glass, shining metal, but just very, very nice, fixed, balanced with the back panel and also the we can finally use the punch hole screen and the cover screen 6.7 inch 1.5K micro curved and support 144 Hz display resolution and also this screen plus the SGS certificate warranted screen. And this OD screen is also support LTPS and display resolution 2712 1220p. Peak brightness reached to 2800 nit and support DC adjustment. And also we can find the HDR 10 Plus screen test. We go to the display to check the performance of the screen. Yes, and also this time for the Moto X50Ultra is powered by a Snapdragon 8S Generation 3 processor. Yeah, we've got the full screen mode to check the performance of the screen. Yeah, it's really full display performance. Very nice. And here's a stereo speaker and the charging port. And we can also find more information here. Android 14, Snapdragon 8S Generation 3 processor, 4nm producing technology, and also support LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0, and also it support Wi-Fi 7. Yeah. Setting part. Display resolution. We can check from here. Screen refresh rate. Yeah, 60 Hz, 120 Hz, and 144 Hz. Yes, very nice looking and high spec smart device from Moto. The Lignum Cedrium back panel with the curved screen is giving me a very nice hands-off feelings. And also when I open the box, I can feel the musk fragrance. So yes, really feel the nature. It stand out on the normal devices in the market. And also I think if I'm not wrong, this is not the first time the Lenovo and Moto to have such a natural back panel. And next we can go to the camera part to check the camera performance. This is the first device that supports periscope camera among the Snapdragon 8S Generation 3 processor devices and support 100 times zoom performance. It's powered by a 64MP periscope camera and 50MP wide angle and 50MP front camera, and also support the 50MP NTOS, anti-shake OIS camera. Here we can find more information about the camera. For the main one, anti-OIS 1.6 aperture, and periscope one is OIS anti-shake supported as well, and the 1 times zoom. We can check the slow motion. And for the 50MP wide angle and macro camera, it's about 25 centimeters autofocus macro camera. And here's the wide angle test. Yeah, so this is the information about the camera, and also this time for the Moto X50Ultra, as I mentioned, is the first AI-powered device from Lenovo and supports the Lenovo Xiaotian AI agent. It can talk with you and it can answer questions and create tour guide and translate and AI translation as well. And also, as I mentioned, it supports Wi-Fi 7. New accurate Wi-Fi technology. It can get low delay and powerful signal and reduce the noise disruption. Anywhere you can good connect to the internet. Chip assistant AI is AI smart sceneries AI part. Personally, the appearance and designs, I feel more like about the appearance and design. But specification is just like the normal flagship models. And this is today's main content. And if you want to explore the AI features for the device, you can go to the Moto offline store or other way to test it. So here's a camera test samples. And thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more questions from here. Bye bye.